The story of setting up bookkeeping for a small business. Introduction. In the bustling town of somewhere, Emma decided to turn her passion for crafting into a small business. She named her venture Crafty Emma's, specializing in handmade jewelry and accessories. As her business began to take shape, Emma realized the importance of setting up a proper bookkeeping system to manage her finances effectively. This story follows Emma's journey as she navigates the world of small business bookkeeping. Step 1. Opening a small business bank account. Emma's first step was to open a small business bank account. She understood that separating her personal and business finances was crucial for legal protection and financial clarity. She visited her local bank, Greenfield Community Bank, and opened a business checking account. Emma provided her registered business name, state registration, and necessary business licenses. Step 2. Building business credit. To build her business credit, Emma applied for a business credit card. She chose a card that offered rewards on business expenses, which would help her save on travel costs for attending craft fairs. By using the card responsibly, Emma started building her business credit score, which would be essential for establishing credit with suppliers for large purchase orders. Step 3. Developing a small business accounting system. Emma, based on the advice of her accountant, Bean Counter's Dave Marshall, decided to use accounting software to streamline her bookkeeping tasks. They chose Manager Accounting, a free accounting software for small businesses, and set up her chart of accounts and her business information. On the advice of Dave, she opted for the double-entry accounting system, which would provide a more accurate financial snapshot of her business by tracking assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Dave also provided Emma guidance and training on how to use her accounting software. Step 4. Tracking small business expenses. With her accounting software in place, Emma began tracking her business expenses meticulously. She categorized each transaction, from materials for her crafts to rent and utility bills for her workshop. This helped her understand her spending patterns and identify areas where she could cut costs. Step 5. Setting up a small business payroll system. As Crafty Emma's grew, Emma hired a part-time assistant to help with orders and inventory. She set up a payroll system within her accounting software to manage her employees' wages, taxes, and benefits. This ensured that she complied with all legal requirements and paid her employee on time. Step 6. Choosing payment methods. To cater to her customers' preferences, Emma set up multiple payment methods. She accepted cash, credit cards, and online payments through her website. She integrated these payment methods with her accounting software to ensure all transactions were recorded accurately. Step 7. Setting up sales tax procedures. As Crafty Emma's operated in a state that required sales tax collection, Emma set up procedures to collect and remit sales tax. She used her accounting software to track sales tax on each transaction and set reminders for filing deadlines. Step 8. Understanding tax obligations. Dave helped Emma to understand her other tax obligations fully. They reviewed her LLC business structure, income, and expenses to identify potential deductions and ensure she was compliant with all federal and state tax laws. Emma set aside time each month to review her financials with Dave. Step 9. Calculating gross margins. To assess the profitability of her products, Emma calculated her gross margins. She used her accounting software to analyze the cost of goods sold against her sales revenue. This helped her make informed decisions about pricing and product offerings. Step 10. Securing business funding. As Crafty Emma's expanded, Emma sought additional funding to purchase new equipment and increase her inventory. She prepared a detailed financial report using her accounting software and presented it to her local bank. Her strong bookkeeping practices helped her secure a small business loan. Step 11. Finding high-quality accounting help. Emma knew the importance of financial statements and realized that she couldn't manage all aspects of her business and bookkeeping alone. She wanted to devote most of her time to operating her business. She hired Dave to do her bookkeeping, prepare financial statements, and provide strategic financial advice. Dave also had Emma take some of his free Bean Counter bookkeeping tutorials so she would better understand her business's financial condition. Conclusion. Through diligent effort and the right tools, Emma and Dave successfully set up a robust bookkeeping system for crafty Emmas. Her journey from a novice to a savvy business owner showcases the importance of proper financial management and seeking professional advice when needed to ensure the success of a small business.